Hey planner friends, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan, and this is A Man with the Plans. Today we're going to be planning for the week of Monday, June 18th through Sunday, June 24th. Getting close to the end of June and that new planner. Hope everyone's getting excited and making those preparations for their new move-in if you start on July 1 like I will be. But before we dive into this week, let's go ahead and flip back and see what last week looked like. So not much has changed. Actually, nothing has changed. I still need to fill in the spend days for the rest of that month, and I haven't even filled in the habit tracker, so you can tell I've been a little busy this week. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is, it's a graduation week. My sister graduates from high school on this day, so we're going to be using that fun sheet that I bought from Planner Kate recently, and then I also got these really fun graduation, the mortar boards and diplomas. I got them from favorite daughter Emily, her favorite daughter shop. Really good stuff so far. I got 2 bobbins filled, but I think I probably won't need all of it, but she's got some really fun like special occasions things, so I highly recommend that. And this does come with its own washi, this sheet here, but I figured, we can supplement. I think this will be fun too, and it's a little bit easier to use. So let's go ahead and get started and lay this down. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and do the morning routine here. We'll get that started. This does not like to stick nice now, does it? All right, there we go. I'm so not used to using bobbins for washi, so I'm still getting used to the best way to use this. Let's see if this will cut nicely. Come on, you know you want to. Aha, that was super satisfying. Alright, and so this is my AM routine, which someone asked if I would do a video on, so I will totally do that at some point in time. Come on there, guy. Let's go. Alright, there you go. And so, yeah. She's a bit younger than me, so I'm kind of, it's kind of crazy how fast time has gone, that she is going to be heading off to college any day now. Well, not any day now. We got about a month before that happens. And so my family lives back in New York, so I will have to be flying this week. Woohoo! Get excited. So the first thing we'll go ahead and do is we will put in some of the meetings for this week. So the first thing I have on here is we have an MIT plus. This is from 11 to 1, and this is in 122. Yep, and so we will go ahead and stick that in there. Yep, so this is all by Planner Kate, and then I have a couple other washies that I will use to sort of sample. I have them here for accents, in case you're wondering. Yeah, so just your basic black and yellow, picking up off of the plan from this year. Oh, how'd that happen? There we go, stay down. Yep, so that's really the game plan. So we have that meeting, and then the next one we have is the, what's it called? Yep, the service integration, HSC discussion, and that's gonna be from 2 to 3 on Monday. So let's go ahead and get that stuck. Okay, give that just a second. Yeah, it's from 2 to 3, so we'll put that right in the middle there. Wonderful, great. Then I have one more meeting that day. Yikes, we're gonna be busy. And this one we'll put on a scalloped one. How's that? Survey meeting. And that's from 3 to 4. Perfect. So it's a long day of meetings, but not too bad. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to label my AM routine, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. so I thought this washi was really fun, and I picked up a couple other things that we'll be using for other videos down the line, so stay tuned. So Tuesday we have what's called an MTP check-in. And this one is actually all about some fiscal stuff, so I actually might use the $ on here. What time is it from? It's from 11 to 12, so we'll get this in here. And I love how the background of some of these half and quarter boxes have some of the like patterning on them. So that one has a couple of the hats. They're called mortar boards, I think. Yeah, there we go. A nice little financial check-in. Then we have another MIT meeting. Do we? I guess we do. All right. Oh, the overview, yeah. And that's from 12:30 to 1:30. All right, and let's center that right over here since it's gonna run for that nice hour across the way. There we go. After that, we have a prep meeting. We have a bigger meeting coming up, so we're going to do some discussion about that. That's from 2 to 3. And then we have one final other meeting for that day, and that is another MTP meeting. And that's from 3 to 4. And then, so I don't forget, I'm going to put in a sticker here. I'm going to kind of do it a little bit in bold so I don't forget, because I'm notorious for this. But I need to pack, because I leave Wednesday after work, so I want to make sure everything is taken care of. And so I also imagine we'd have a little bit of laundry to do as well. So we'll stick that over here down at the bottom as a reminder for me, because I am forgetful when it comes to that. Oh, and we're going to use the washing machine sticker. Thank you, Plain Arcade, for having that. Oh, I like the way that looks. That's adorable. Aha, perfect. So let's go ahead and pull on my flight information. Okay, so we'll do SP to ISP, and that's it departs at 6:40 and arrives at 10:50. I think that's right. You know what, we'll put some washi down to sort of show the world that I'll be in the air for a while. We'll use this black washi here. So, and I'll probably head to the airport around 4 just to avoid some of the mayhem of travel. Because it's that time of year, summer travel, everybody's going everywhere. Are any big summer plans for any of you out there? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below, where are you headed this summer? And if so, are you taking your planner with you? Because I'm gonna bring mine, but some people tend not to. So I'm always curious about sort of what people's preferences are with that. And I have these airplane stickers here from Adriana Piper I got a while ago, and they are just super cute. So I'm gonna take one of these guys and kind of just park him up on the top here. So we're taking off. We should probably be flying east, but that's okay. We'll just make a U-turn, right? And this is not staying down the way I wanted it to. I think I might have. Well, let's give it a shot here and we'll just pick it back up. So, gotta be gentle. And then, yeah, so let's lay that down in a little bit of a better line there. How's that? Yeah, that works better. Okay. So then, Thursday is pretty open. I actually think I'm going to be headed to the beach if the weather is nice while I am there on Thursday with my cousin. We'll be catching up and seeing how things are going for her. So I'll put that in here with some washi. So I'm one of those people that likes to get to the beach nice and early and then sort of be in control of when I want to leave, because it'll tend to get a little crowded now that school's out. So I can't remember the last time I went to the beach on the ocean, at least. So yeah, we'll say if we get there around 9. And I'm not sure what beach we're going to, I just suggested it. And also I haven't even looked at the weather for out there, so we'll have to see what happens. Yep, and so we will go ahead and place this guy down. And if I should probably be able to find an umbrella or a beach umbrella somewhere with some stickers that I have. Yeah, so then we'll keep moving. And then later that night, my sister has prom, so we're gonna go stop by and see her off for pre-prom. I don't think I'll stay very long, just because I'm at that point now where I'm probably a little old for that. So I think that starts at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. I don't know. We'll just put it down here and I'll go with the flow. I'm gonna let my mom handle that one. And then Friday, what do we have going on? Graduation is in the evening, so I will we'll say this is crazy that she's all grown up. BHS graduation, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'll say at BHS. How exciting! So we'll put that down here. My little nug's all grown up. Saturday we're gonna be having a little barbecue for the grad herself. So I will put grad prep in the morning, because I'll probably have to do some cleaning and all that other fun stuff for my mom to get us ready. So, you know, usual grocery shopping. But what I'll also do is let me lay down a strip for all day Saturday. And this I know I'm gonna need to meddle with a little bit, because these paper tape ones don't like to cut really nicely. Well, you know what, let's try it and see how it goes, right? Oh, okay, that worked better than I expected, remembered it being. And so the party I think doesn't start till 3, so I'll put this here in the morning, and then the actual I'll put this over here. So we're just doing like a low-key barbecue thing, nothing fancy or anything like that. So yeah, that'll be fun. And then Sunday morning, I believe I'm doing some breakfast with friends from high school, my year. So let's put that down. I think we're going around 9. That's one of the things I miss most about New York, is a really good diner and a really good bagel. So all of that will be happening while I'm there for sure. I'll throw down one of those. All right, perfect. I like it. It's looking good so far. We'll go ahead and add on the sidebar here a little sticker down here. We'll try it this time for meditating in the morning and at night. Then I think I'll do a set of these going up here for this color. I'll do one for this color. Perfect. And then last one we'll do in yellow. And this way I'm probably going to do a list of things that I need to pack. So I'll go ahead and do that on another day. Yeah, so let's see, what else should we add here? Oh, you know, the one banner I'm missing that is one of my favorites that I didn't include in here. The Hello Weekend banner. That's one of my favorites, so we'll do that up there too. Yeah, and so we'll throw in a to-do in here as well before the week ends so that I can go ahead and get as much done as possible. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use this little strip here to try to just fill some of this space, right? Why not? You might as well, right? So, ready, set, go. Awesome, I like that. And then we'll do a to-do over here. And so let's see, some of the last minute things I need to take care of still are grad gift, just some final little things, right? And then I need to take out money. And I'm sure there'll be something else in there that I need to do remotely. Yeah, so other than that, I think this is going to be a pretty busy week. I think I might go ahead and do a travel vlog too as well to let you just see the whole experience of New York and any fun adventures or shenanigans we get on. So yeah, not a crazy week, but I do think the travel is going to be a bit fun. Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and like and maybe subscribe down there. First of all, I got to thank all of you. That 300 subscribers so far. It's absolutely incredible. You're all the best. And thank you so much. I make new videos every Monday and every Thursday. And see you next time. Bye.